Hi, my name is Emmanuel Muswalo. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Dottra Credit. Yes, so in this demonstration, I'll be showing you how our app works in the case of a student wants to get a loan from us and the procedures that they have to go through. So let's dive in. So I'm going to launch the mobile application. As you can see, it launches immediately. So there's a part that I haven't included in this video, which is the onboarding process. I've not included it because if I did include it, the video might be too long. So, but basically, you have the normal onboarding process where we require the student's email and phone number. Then we proceed to an identity verification process, which involves us getting their NRC to verify if they're an actual citizen or something like that. Yes, so we do this by using biometric recognition. We use the AWS recognition service to help us with instant verification. So when a student comes, they do not have to submit documents and wait for us to process them. The documents get processed there and then immediately. Then we're also partnered with HELS, which provides us with a list that we're able to verify this student is an actual student with our system. So yeah, from there, they'll see this interface that I have here, they'll where they'll be able to where they will be able to access loans from us. So yeah, let me begin by illustrating this, explaining the structure of our application and how everything is built and why it's built that way. So I'll start from the top. So from the top, it shows us the limit that this particular user can get. For me, my limit right now is 100 kwacha, but the normal limit that we have is a 300 kwacha. So what we have set is we've set a 300 kwacha limit in which a student can get any amount, at least on the packages, within that 300 kwacha. So they can get a 50 kwacha, they can get a 100 kwacha until the 300 kwacha limit is exhausted. So we introduced the package criteria to reduce over borrowing, because people tend to over borrow. So this is basically to help them in their thinking process, instead of them just selecting any amount. They can pick big amounts that they actually don't need. But there's yes, so we have those packages listed there. And let's go down. So here we have my transactions. So these are the transactions that I've recently done. Yes, and we have the transaction history screen, which gives a detailed breakdown of each and every transaction. So in a moment when it loads, you will be able to see the details on every and every transaction. Okay, perfect. So we have the transaction ID, we have the amount, we have the processing fee, we have the mobile number, and each and every detail that the user needs to know if they were looking at their historical transactions. Yes. So now let's dive into getting an actual loan. So now I'll go straight on getting a 50 kwacha loan. So yeah, this checkout screen shows you the details of each and every loan of the loan that you're getting. So in this case, I'm getting a 50 kwacha loan with a repayment period of 30 days. So our loans are restricted to a 30-day repayment period that is dependent on the monthly allowance system. Yes, we have 35 interest per month loan. Yes, so we will be reducing the interest rates as time as we go by with time. So our target is to reach at least 20% or 25 or 20% interest when we reach about 1,000 students. So the 35 was just to help us um, in something before we actually reduce them. Yes, so it shows you the processing fee that we have there, and it also shows you the borrower details, like the name, the email address, and the number to which these funds will be dispersed to. Yes, so now I'll proceed to actually getting the loan. I'll hit the confirm loan button, and they should automatically transfer the money from our systems to this person's mobile money account. So there you have it. So the loan has been approved, and the money has been automatically sent to their account, which is the number listed there. I do not have the SIM card in my phone right now, but the money has been delivered to this user's account. We are hoping to get into the accelerator program and hoping for consideration. Thank you very much.